Rolling in money, unraveling the meaning of a popular phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, rolling in money. This idiom is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Rolling in money is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who has a lot of money, often more than needed. It paints a vivid picture of someone so wealthy that they could literally roll around in their money. This phrase is often used in a humorous or exaggerated manner. The phrase's origins are a bit unclear, but it's believed to have come from the early 20th century. It reflects a time when wealth was often associated with lavish and visible displays of money. The imagery of someone rolling in their wealth underscores the abundance of their financial resources. When you use rolling in money, it's important to consider the context. It's suitable in informal settings and can be used to describe someone's wealth. After his app went viral, he's been rolling in money. In a humorous or sarcastic way, with all these bills to pay, I'm just rolling in money. Remember, it's a figurative expression, not to be taken literally. English is rich with idioms about wealth. Similar expressions include loaded, informal way of saying someone is very rich. Filthy rich emphasizes extreme wealth, often with a hint of disapproval or envy. Understanding idioms like rolling in money can make English more colorful and expressive. We hope this video helps you in your language learning journey. Keep exploring and have fun with English.